Ever wonder how some people stay healthy and energetic without endless dieting or gym hours? The answer isn't just what they eat, it's when. Instead of complicated diets or calorie counting, there's a simple, natural approach: intermittent fasting. This isn't a fad or a pill. It's a return to the rhythms our ancestors followed: periods of eating, followed by periods of fasting. Intermittent fasting is about timing, not deprivation. It works with your body's natural intelligence. By giving your digestive system regular breaks, you unlock powerful changes in your body and mind. Forget the diet books and quick fixes. This method is free, flexible, and backed by science. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you what intermittent fasting is, how it works, and how you can start. The key to a healthier you might be as simple as changing when you eat. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's an eating pattern. Instead of restricting what you eat, it simply guides when you eat. Our ancestors naturally cycled between feasting and fasting, adapting to food scarcity. Today, we eat constantly, never giving our bodies a break. By reintroducing fasting periods, we tap into our body's ancient metabolic flexibility. This isn't about starving. It's about creating a daily window for eating and another for fasting. During your eating window, enjoy nourishing meals. During your fast, let your body rest and repair. Many find this approach simplifies life and restores control over eating. It's a return to a natural rhythm that aligns with our biology. Intermittent fasting empowers you to work with your body, not against it. Think of your body as operating in two modes: fed and fasted. When you eat, insulin rises, storing energy for later. In the fed state, your body stores excess energy as fat. After about 8-12 hours without food, insulin drops, and your body switches to the fasted state. Now it burns stored glycogen, then taps into fat reserves for energy. This is the fat-burning mode so many seek. The fasted state is also when your body focuses on repair and maintenance. Intermittent fasting simply extends the time you spend in this powerful state. It's not just about weight loss, it's about giving your body time to heal and regenerate. By alternating between feasting and fasting, you unlock your body's natural potential. This simple shift can transform your health from the inside out. The real benefits of intermittent fasting begin after about 12 hours of fasting, when your body shifts from burning food to burning stored fat. As you extend your fast, your body produces ketones, an efficient fuel for your brain, leading to sharper focus and mental clarity. Fasting also boosts human growth hormone, preserving muscle and accelerating fat loss. Contrary to myths, fasting protects muscle while targeting fat. Regular fasting improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage blood sugar and reduce disease risk. Every hour you fast beyond 12 deepens these benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't just about losing weight, it's about optimizing your body's performance. By timing your meals, you unlock a cascade of positive changes. One of fasting's most exciting benefits is autophagy, your body's cellular cleaning process. In the fasted state, your cells break down and recycle old damaged parts, protecting against aging and disease. This deep cleaning ramps up after longer fasts, around 18 to 24 hours. Regular intermittent fasting schedules these vital repair sessions. Autophagy supports brain health, longevity, and resilience. By fasting, you're not just burning fat, you're helping your body renew itself at the cellular level. It's your body's way of staying healthy and strong. Intermittent fasting is flexible. Choose a method that fits your life. The 16-8 method is popular. Fast for 16 hours. Eat within an 8-hour window. For more benefits, try 18 to 6. Fast 18 hours, eat in 6. The Warrior Diet, 24, and OMAD, 1 meal a day, are advanced options with longer fasting windows. Start with 16 to 8 and adjust as you get comfortable. Each method increases time in the fasted state, amplifying benefits. Pick what works for your schedule and goals. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Gradually experiment to find your ideal rhythm. The best fasting plan is the one you can sustain. During your fasting window, avoid anything with calories. This keeps insulin low and your fast intact. Water is essential. Drink it plain, sparkling or mineral. Black coffee and plain tea are also fine. Just skip sugar, milk or cream. Avoid juices, smoothies and protein shakes. They break your fast. Artificial sweeteners can trigger insulin in some people, so it's best to avoid them. Steer clear of diet sodas and zero-calorie drinks with additives. Keep it simple. Water, black coffee and plain tea. This ensures your body stays in the fasted fat-burning state. What you eat during your window matters. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Good protein sources, fish, chicken, eggs, legumes, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil. Fill your plate with colorful, non-starchy vegetables for fiber and nutrients. Choose complex carbs like sweet potatoes or quinoa over refined grains. Break your fast with a balanced, gentle meal. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Eating well during your window amplifies the benefits of fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, those with eating disorders or certain medical conditions should consult a doctor first. If you're ready to start, begin slowly. Try a 12 or 14-hour fast and build up. Stay busy during fasting hours to distract from hunger. Drink water or black coffee to help with cravings. Expect some initial side effects. Headaches or low energy are normal and usually pass. Be flexible. Adjust your schedule for special occasions. This is a lifestyle, not a rigid rulebook. Consistency over time is key. Listen to your body and prioritize your well-being. Intermittent fasting is a simple, powerful tool for better health. Not a quick fix. Focus on how you feel. Energy, mood, and mental clarity matter more than the scale. Start gently, be patient, and celebrate small victories. Building new habits takes time. Consistency is more important than perfection. If you slip up, just get back on track. This is a long-term lifestyle, not an all-or-nothing diet. Embrace the flexibility and make it work for you. The power to transform your health is already within you. Set your rhythm and thrive.